Forests are the lifeblood of our planet. They provide us with the air we breathe. They regulate our climate, and they're home to an astonishing array of plant and animal life. For centuries, humans have relied on forests for sustenance, shelter, and resources. But in recent times, the scale and pace of forest loss, also known as deforestation, has reached alarming levels.
Deforestation is the cleaning of forests for other land uses, such as agriculture, urbanization, or mining. Today, we'll delve into the complex causes behind this environmental challenge, explore its far-reaching consequences, and most importantly, examine the actionable solutions that can help protect these vital ecosystems.
This issue impacts us all, either locally for those that directly depend on forests or globally through its effects on climate and biodiversity.
Reasons behind deforestation are multifaceted and vary, depending on its location.
Joshua, I understand you've cleared some land for your crops. Could you tell me more about that?
Yes, Stuart. Our family has been farming this land for generations, and as it grows bigger, we're running out of space to feed our families. We just don't have the money.
Are there any other options you have considered?
Yes, Stuart. We have heard about sustainable methods, but they just require so many resources and effort and money that we just don't have the access to.
Rapid urbanization and the needs for infrastructure also contribute to local forest loss.
On a global scale, the demand for commodities drives much of the deforestation. Large-scale commercial agriculture, particularly for beef, soy, and palm oil, requires vast areas of cleared land. Similarly, industrial logging caters to the global demand for timber and paper products.
The consequences of deforestation for biology and ecology are profound.
Dr. Ong, what are the primary ecological impacts of losing our forest?
Habitat loss is the most immediate and devastating impact. Forests are complex ecosystems that support an incredible diversity of life. When forests are cleared, countless species lose their homes, their food sources, and their breeding grounds, leading to population declines and even extinctions. Fragmentation further isolates populations, making them more vulnerable.
Deforestation also disrupts vital ecological processes. The removal of tree cover leads to increased soil erosion, making the land less fertile and increasing the risk of landslide and floods. Forests plays a crucial role in regulating water cycles, and their loss can lead to droughts and change in rainfall patterns.
Perhaps one of the most significant global consequences is the contribution to climate change. Forests act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cleared, especially when they are burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere as greenhouse gases, exacerbating global warming.
Luckily, deforestation is not an irreversible trend. There are numerous solutions we can use to help protect and restore our forests.
At the local level, promoting sustainable agricultural practices that integrate trees into farming systems, supporting community-led forest management initiatives, and developing responsible ecotourism can provide economic incentives for conservation.
Just like that, Bryan. Gently stick it in. These native trees will help restore this degraded land.
It's amazing that this small tree can make such a big difference.
That's right, Bryan. Every tree planted counts. Reforestation and afforestation efforts are crucial for restoring lost forest cover and biodiversity.
Globally, implementing and enforcing stronger regulations against illegal logging, promoting sustainable supply chains for commodities like timber and palm oil, and empowering consumers to make informed choices are essential. Investing in research and development of alternative materials can also help reduce the pressure on forests.
The issue of deforestation is deeply intertwined with humans and their well-being.
What is up, guys? Today we are with Chief Ong, the leader of our local village. Chief Ong, what does the forest mean to your community?
The forest is our home, our pharmacy, our spiritual sanctuary. It provides us with everything we need. Deforestation threatens our way of life, our culture, and our future. We are working hard to protect our ancestral lands. Supporting indigenous rights and incorporating traditional knowledge into conservation efforts are vital for long-term success. When local communities are empowered to protect their forests, the results can be truly transformative.
Deforestation is a complex challenge, but it is one that we can overcome. Understanding its causes and consequences is the first step towards finding effective solutions. Protecting our forests is not just an environmental issue, it's a matter of our collective future.
Each of us has a vital role to play when it comes to protecting our ecosystems. Together, we can ensure that forests continue to thrive for generations to come.